Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll. Something went wrong. This error usually happens because of connection issues. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. This reopen Crunchyroll and check again. Next, fully close the Crunchyroll app. Swipe off to open recent app. Find Crunchyroll and swipe it away to close it. Now open the app again and see if the error is gone. Restarting your device can fix small bugs. Turn your phone, tablet or computer off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll and try again. You can also go to App Store, check for Crunchyroll and make sure the app is fully updated. An outdated app can cause this error. Open the Crunchyroll setting, log out your account, close the app completely, then open it again and log back in. This refresh your account connections. If you are using a VPN, proxy or an ad blocker, turn it off. This can interfere with Crunchyroll and cause the something went error. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.